So let me say a few words about Ethiopia and why I love this country and why I have so much confidence that this country will continue to inspire us. This country is where the seat of the African Union is. And it used to be many years ago, many years ago, that people used to actually literally complain that the city wasn't looking up to par with the fact that it was hosting an institution like that. But today, looking everywhere in this city, this is a city that Africa is very proud of. And I remember when I came with my friend, the Prime Minister and the Minister of Finance, we went to many areas, they were all slums, and he told me, he said, well, Akiin, by the time you're back, this will be done, that will be done. And every time that I come here, everything moves at incredible speed. I look at the work we've done together on agriculture. The African Development Bank provided Ethiopia with seeds for heat-tolerant wheat varieties that you planted in your lowlands. You started with 5,000 hectares of those. Just to give you a sense, because we are talking about airlines today, African Development Bank provided 65,000 metric tons, tons of seed, together with your research station. Now, your Airbus 380 is about what, 98.4 or so tons? So you can just imagine the scale of amount of seeds that we're talking about here. You're probably talking about almost 665 Airbus 380 aircraft lying on a landing strip. That's the scale that we're talking about. Ethiopia moved from 5,000 hectares to 650,000 hectares. It went to 2.2 million hectares. Today, Ethiopia declared itself as self-sufficient in wheat in just 4 years. Think about that. Amazing. Congratulations. The African Development Bank is proud of its investment, together with you, to do major transformative infrastructure, linking Ethiopia all the way to, Addis to Mombasa, Mombasa to Nairobi. That will expand trade between your two countries by more than 400%. We have infrastructure linking Djibouti, linking us to South Sudan, up to here, again, supported by the African Development Bank. We've supported a lot of work here on power infrastructure, regional connectivity, that allows you to make today more than $900, almost $100 million a year in terms of export of energy in this country. And I couldn't have done that, we couldn't have done that without a visionary government, without a dynamic government and a very supportive Minister of Finance. But also I wouldn't have been able to do it because you see me talking on stage, but I have incredible staff. And the work they do make us shine. So if you permit me, I would like all my staff from the African Development Bank that are here today with me to please stand. Thank you. These are the guys that make the things happen, and as I leave, as I miss Africa, I always say the people I will miss the most are these folks. These are the guys that make the things happen. They're the best assets that the African Development Bank has. Thank you very much, everybody, for what you do. Before coming here today, I was taken in to go and do the lessons at the flight simulator. I flew all the way from Dubai to Dar es Salaam in Tanzania, and Julius Nyerere Airport. I landed the plane, the aircraft very, very nicely. Everybody is safe. So please, as I retire, I will come back and join the Ethiopian Airlines as your honorary pilot. And those who want to fly that plane with me, buy your tickets now because they're on sale. What a great day is this. A great day to be with you. It's a family, it's a wonderful day. I will miss Ethiopia. My heart is always here. I will always have Ethiopia on my side, and my heart will always be there to do all I can to support and strengthen the development of this wonderful country. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for the confidence in the African Development Bank. God bless.